Kelly Spores with the Wall Street Journal. I'm here at the Top Small Workplaces Conference in Chicago talking with Jere Cowden, president of Cowden Associates. Jere, I hear you have a very unusual hiring procedures. How does this work?
We developed this, actually, the concept was to test employees, which is fairly common for personality and how they fit into the culture. What we also wanted to do was check for skill sets. And in calling around, I found a organization, Turning Point Consulting out of California. Lou Curtis runs this, that has something that's pretty unique. Develop a skill set and a personality type for various positions within the organization, and then the individual's tested. It's an internet site, and the individual gets a copy of the results, as do we. But the kind of add-on to this is that Lou does a half-hour podcast around each individual with their strengths and his observations, and then that can be shared with anybody in the company who it's appropriate to share it with at whatever time is available for them. And we found it to work incredibly well.
What are some of the observations Lou Curtis will make in the podcast?
He'll comment about somebody's capabilities, where they are within the normative structure or normative range in the specific areas we're looking at, whether it's analytical skills, writing skills, communication skills in general, and their personality types, and just give a little warning on what their strengths and weaknesses would be and what would be good to provide them for support in areas where they might need it.
What would you say are the benefits to this for your firm?
We get the best people for the job. I think that's the absolute critical spot. I think we're able to bring the right people in that fit our organization and can do the job, because it's not just the personality testing, it is actually also then the specific skills, whether it's computer skills, analytic skills, etc.
Have you found any drawbacks to personality testing?
I actually have not. I've at some place or another, some form or another, been familiar with personality testing since I was 22, which was a long time ago. It was used by my employers in bringing me in, and I think it helps everybody get an understanding of skills. And I think particularly if you have them for a broad base of people, you can start to see how people will interact together. So it actually helps in constructing teams as well.
Great. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
I'm Kelly Spores with the Wall Street Journal.